Roger Patrick Gallegos. Roger Patrick Gallegos. Helen Nicole Dominguez. Helen Nicole Dominguez.
Judge, she's gonna be in 144.
Roger Patrick Gallegos. Roger Patrick Gallegos. Elias Deshaun Aguilar. Elias Deshaun Aguilar. Michael Wilson. Michael Wilson. Mauricio Chacao. Mauricio. Eric Alejandro Ortega. Eric Alejandro Ortega.
Here, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you, sir. Got your check then. Anthony Michael Sanchez. Anthony Michael Sanchez. Michaela Angelique Perry.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Got your check then. Avery Joaquin Green. Avery Joaquin Green.
Oh, Judge, he's in 290th right now. They checked in this morning.
Okay. All right. Jacqueline Garza Kelly. Jacqueline Garza Kelly.
Good morning, present Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Got your check then. Rafael Azures. Rafael Azures. Christian Xavier Flores. Christian Xavier Flores. James Javon Ford. James Javon Ford. Jose Ricardo Herrera. Michael Anthony Odape. Noah Gilbert Ponce. Michael Adolf Solis. Jose Enrique Velasquez. Ruby Vela. Ruby Vela. Elaine Nicole Gonzalez.
Counsel is present, Your Honor, and I believe that she's here. She's in jail. So I think she's the EL-19.
Okay. All right, thank you, Counselor. I'll circle back around to it. Gage Andrew Ruby. Nathan Gonzalez. Cecilia Martinez Amaya.
Present. I'm
Thank you,
here.
ma'am. I got you checked in. Jose Salas Guerrero. Jesse Espino. Shaylin Chase. Shaylin Kimberly Chase.
Judge, she's in the hallway. She doesn't have a phone.
Okay. Dantrell Tap Hawkins.
Right.
Dantrell. Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Antonio Calares. Antonio. Natasha Boiser. Natasha Danielle Boiser.
Judge, most of the jail cases, they haven't brought them over just yet.
Okay, I will go back through this list one more time for the individuals that are coming in late. But first, I'm going to give some instructions on how this morning is going to roll out. So defense attorneys that need a reset, the court will give you a reset. I do, however, require that you talk to one of the two ADAs on the Zoom. That would be Alexis or Anthony. Even if you have talked to them last court setting and you have not changed your mind, you still want the exact same thing, I am still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. Even if you just got hired last night, last week, last month, even if there is a felony pending along with this County Court 12 case, I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. I see no downside to communication, guys. I know that I am over here trying to move my docket. I know that you defense attorneys are trying to bring closure to your clients' cases so they can get back to their normal lives. So we cannot do this without communication. So defense attorneys, just please take a few moments to go into one of the breakout rooms to get on the same page about the status of this setting this morning. Now, defense attorneys, if you have talked to one of the two ADAs within the last 2, 3, even up to 5 days ago, and that call, that chat, that email was about this setting today, I'll take that as confirmed. I would highly recommend that that's what you guys would do So when I get to the part about who's all conferred, if your wish is to quickly release your client, we could do that. But we're here now. So how are we going to do this? I need defense attorneys, the defense attorney, to please send chats to Booker. Booker's going to line you guys up in order of how he receives those chats to go into the breakout room. It is 9:06 now. Usually about 10 o'clock, we're more than 75% done with the docket. I say that to say we do try to move things along quickly in County Court 12. So when Booker puts the defense attorneys in the breakout rooms, please do not pop out of the breakout rooms to say no one has come to see me in the breakout room, okay? All right, so now moving forward, I'm gonna go back through this list one more time. So remember, I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves. Turn your camera on if it is off, because I do need to see you. You are in court. You are free to turn your camera on after that, okay? So here we go again. Eugene Morales. That's a jail case. I see the block there. I don't think they brought him over. Christopher Stephen Brown, another jail case. Roger Patrick Gallegos. Helen Nicole Dominguez. Elias Deshaun Aguilar. Michael Wilson. Anthony Michael Sanchez. Avery Joaquin Green. Rafael Anzuris. Christian Xavier Flores. James Javon Ford. Jose Ricardo Herrera. Michael Anthony Aldape. Noah Gilbert Ponce. Michael Adolph Solis. Jose Enrique Velasquez. Ruby Vela. Elaine Nicole Gonzalez, that was the one that did not have a phone. I think she's in the hallway. Or no, that's the one that her attorney was waiting for her to get on. Gage Andrew Ruby. Nathan Gonzalez. Jose Salas Guerrero. Jesse Espino. Antonio Calaros. Natasha Danielle Boiser. All right, I've now gone through the docket twice. Is there anyone that thinks they're on the right Zoom, but that did not hear their name called at all this morning? You didn't hear your name called at all either time that I called the docket. Is there anyone? All right. Okay, so before we move to other court matters, I'm going to give a few housekeeping rules for County Court 12. First rule being, defense attorneys that are moving forward with the plea, remember, 2 sets of paperwork. One set comes from the court, the other set comes from the district attorney's office. If you are not sure if your client has done all the paperwork, please get with Booker. Booker can put you and your client in a breakout room and you can go over these matters. I just don't want anyone to sit on the Zoom for over an hour or so. And when I call the case, we discover that none of the paperwork or only part of the paperwork has been done. Easy solution. Also, defense attorneys, when moving forward with the plea, please ask your client this one question. Are they a resident of Bexar County? I realize that San Antonio is a very touristy city. We get a lot of outsiders. But if you're doing a plea and that paperwork has been sent over to the probation department, and we do not know that your client is not a resident of Bexar County, your client is going to get an automatic violation. A warrant will issue. There's an easy solution. This is America. You can live where you want to live. We just need to know about it. Perhaps you live in another county or even another state. Please tell the court or your defense attorney, so then I can make the decision, should the case be transferred to wherever you reside, or should I allow your defendant to report to probation by Zoom, okay? Also, defense attorneys, if you have an MTR on the docket, besides speaking to one of the 2 ADAs, you must also speak to Mr. Charles Kimbrough. He is the CLO, the probation officer for County Court 12. Of course, because it is an MTR, a motion to revoke probation, I do need the input from the probation department, all right? Also, defense attorneys, if your client has been arrested, just arrested at least twice for DWI, that case is going to automatically be sent over to the DWI court. That is a treatment specialty court. I cannot order or mandate anyone into that program, but your client will be given the opportunity to talk to someone, to be evaluated about what I consider red flags in issues of alcohol usage. Your client will not be able to leave this judiciary able to say, again, no one reached out to them or tried to talk to them again about what I consider red flags in issues of alcohol usage. Besides presiding over County Court 12, I also preside over the mental health court. That too is a treatment specialty court. If anyone wants their case to be transferred to that docket, please get with Booker. Booker can get the referral process started. It doesn't even have to be that your client has ever been professionally diagnosed with a mental health issue. If they think they are suffering from PTSD, bipolar, schizophrenia, severe depression or anxiety, etc., that is good enough for us. We will have them professionally seen by a doctor. I do run several dockets of mental health. One of the dockets being the PTD, the pretrial diversion docket. If your client is deemed eligible for that docket, not only does your client's case get dismissed, it gets totally expunged from your client's record at no cost to your client. Options for everyone. All right, so moving forward, are there any defense attorneys that have already conferred? You just need to give a report to the court. We can give your client a reset and release your client. Any defense attorneys that have already conferred?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, counselor. Did your client make it on?
She's in jail, so
Oh, yeah, that's
presumably,
right.
yes.
Booker, are they bringing his client? That's Elaine Nicole Gonzalez, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Judge, they're supposed to be bringing her on.
Okay, great. Okay. All right, what you got, counselor?
Your Honor, there's multiple pending felonies in regards to this case, and so the state is going to reach out to the felony attorneys. So I suppose we ask for a reset.
Okay, no problem. All right, Booker number 22.
$927.
927. Okay, counselor, you are free to log off unless you want to stay on to talk to your client in breakout room, but we will tell her that her next court date is September 27th when they bring her on, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. 927. Got it.
Yeah, September 27th. Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Are there any other defense attorneys that have already conferred? Just need to give a report to the court. Any defense attorneys? Are they all in the breakout room, Booker?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, very well. I'll let you continue on with the recess then, okay? I'll be right here if there are any pleas ready to go. All
Yes, Judge.
right, bye-bye. Booker, I have an attorney that's coming back to you. He said he got a reset for his client on Thursday because he was on the trial docket on Friday. Did you send him a reset form? He's on his way back to you right now.
Okay, Judge, I'll look into it.
Okay, he's coming back.
But
Damn it. If I blink, it mutes me. I need to talk to Michael Wilson if he's signed on.
he has not signed on yet.
Okay, then I will leave and contact him and have him sign his happy ass on. What the status of his case is that he's come by and paid me for the license so I can apply for it. I'm having some trouble drafting the petition because all the sample petitions refer to alcohol related suspension, since that's what 98% of the this one isn't. This one's tickets. So I'm gonna get him an occupational license while we get the tickets resolved, and that'll give him a license. That'll get him off your docket.
It sounds good.
So I will call him and talk to him and get the information I need, and I'll tell him he needs to sign in this morning and get a warrant. And when do you want to reset him for?
If he signs on, I'll reset him for late September.
Okay. All right, I'll get in touch with him. Thank you.
Sounds good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay,
uh,
Booker,
Yes.
he just dropped his kids off at school. He's on his way home and he's gonna sign in. I'll call back. I've got to run do something else and I'll call back. Okay?
Sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Not a problem.
My leave, Judge Booker.
Yes, you may. Now you have I think one or two in the hallway,
Oh, okay.
but I'm gonna put you in to talk to the state now.
Okay, thank you.
Booker, does Mr. Morales been sent his paperwork?
Once you sign it, we'll go straight to him. I'll put you guys in the breakout room, and he can just tell him to notify the deputy that he has paperwork waiting for him, and then they'll
Okay.
come get it, and you guys can go over it. Brian Oreo.
Hey, good morning, Booker. I conferred with the state. I sent you a message. We need to have a new revised offer that I'm gonna put in the file and confer with my client on. She is having a procedure at the next month. And so I wanted to see if there was any way, in order to give her time to get through that, we could do the beginning of October. See if we can get it resolved and give her some time to get through that period.
Okay, October 3rd.
October 3rd, already.
Wait, hold on, I got the wrong person up. Miss Jacqueline Kelly.
Yes, sir.
Hey, your attorney is going to be talking to with you later in regards to your case, but for right now, I'm gonna reset your court date to October 3rd.
Okay, sir. Same time?
Yes, so it'll be 9 a.m., but at this time it'll be in person in County Court 12.
In person. Okay, October 3rd.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. May I log off now?
Yes, ma'am. You're free to log off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right, thanks, Booker. I get
Not
on
a
to.
problem. Yes. You're
All right.
free. Bye.
Take care.
Excuse me, sir. Booker.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Yes, sir. I just logged on right now. I mean, I worked overnight. I
What-
just logged on.
What's your name?
Rafael on Tutis.
All right, sir. Your attorney's on. She's going to be confirmed with the state. Have you checked in?
What was that, sir?
Have you checked in? Your attorney is on. She's going to talk to the state in regards to your case. So you're good.
So I just go ahead and wait. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, just wait a little bit and then she'll come out and let you know what's going on with your case.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
What you got now?
Hi, could I please reset some people?
The one, maybe the one or two that might be here. You have a lot of people that are FTAs.
Yeah, I thought I might. But can I just reset people and see if they're FDIAs, I guess?
Yeah, go ahead.
Nathan Gonzalez, number 24 on the docket.
Not here.
Okay. Cecilia Amaya, number 25 on the docket.
She was, hold on.
Oh, I'm here.
She's here. What you got now?
There's no toxicology back yet, and they haven't, the case is not filed, so could we please reset her till that happens?
Hurt.
Now,
Right.
go ahead, Booker.
Mr. Maya, I'm gonna reset your court date to September 28th. That will be in person in County Court 12 at 9 a.m. Mr. Maya,
Okay, September 28th at what time?
9 a.m.
10 a.m. Court 12?
Yes, ma'am. And this time it will be in person. It will not be on Zoom.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Can I
you.
log off now?
Yes, ma'am. You're free to log off.
Okay, thank you.
Nell, before you speak with Booker, you have a client that just showed up, Nathan Gonzalez. He's in the hallway.
Perfect. Thank you. Great.
There's another one. I don't know, Booker, James Ford. He said he didn't know whose attorney was, but I have Patrick Lamas. He's
Yes,
in the
sir.
hall. Patrick on the Zoom.
No, Judge, he hasn't made it on yet.
Okay, all right. Those two just showed up. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so now could we reset Nathan Gonzalez? The district attorney still needs to contact the complaining witness and hasn't been able to do so.
Now, make sure you come down and talk to him, though. He says he's on house arrest. No one told them. He's in the hallway now. So I
I will
told him,
come. I will
come
come.
down, okay.
No, since he's here in person, come by my office before you come talk to him. I'm gonna have him to sign a fiscal reset form.
Okay.
But I'm gonna reset him to October 29th.
Okay, thank you. For number 26 on the docket, Jose Salas Guerrero. I just got an offer for him, but he needs a Padilla letter to plead, so we can't do the plea today.
He needs to, he hasn't checked in either.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm coming now.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Not a problem.
Hey Booker, real quickly, do you mind putting me into a breakout room with my client Eric Ortega? When you get a chance.
Yes, go back to number 1 and he'll meet you in there.
Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Keith, I see the paperwork is already back. Let me get an ADA and get that file for judge, and we will move forward with that shortly.
Okay.
Mr. Griner.
Good morning, Booker. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. And yourself?
Fine. I've got Sanchez, first appearance, DWI. I've already conferred. Did the client show up?
No.
Okay. I didn't have a contact number for him when I tried to reach him over the weekend.
Let me
see what I had.
Let me see. I have a number.
Does he have a 144? My notes say he's got a case out of the 144th too.
Yeah, he has an MTR out of that court.
I don't believe I'm appointed on that.
Yeah, you are.
Oh,
Now,
am I?
as of 8/10, the system appointed you to it.
Okay. All
What
right.
I'll do is, he does have a number listed from the jail booking as this is current as of 8/9.
Okay.
I'm gonna send this to you in the email.
Appreciate it.
And then if you can get him to log on before noon today, then that'll prevent him from getting the FTA warrant.
Yeah, the problem is I've got to run downtown now. So I'll try to reach him within the next 5 minutes, but
No worries.
when is his MTR set, or does he have a setting?
He doesn't have a setting.
Not yet.
No, sir.
Okay, and then I'll try to get a setting on that. Maybe we can move this with that or something.
Sounds good.
Oh, well, okay, so you're gonna send me that number and I'll try to reach out to it now.
Yeah, I just sent it to you.
Okay, thanks, Booker.
Not a problem. Mr. Goins.
Good morning, Booker. On Christian Flores, 675-485 and 486. He's got two unindicted felonies pending, and the state wants to reach out to the felony prosecutor, see if we can get it over with now.
Okay. 1 moment. He didn't appear.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Your client didn't appear.
Okay. I will try to get hold of him.
Sounds good.
Okay, I'll let you know if I do.
All right. Mario.
Good. Oh, morning. Mr. Ortega, Eric Ortega, number 8 on the docket. He's the only one I have this morning. He's received an offer this morning. We just need to hammer out some final details, but I just discussed it with him, and he's fairly certain that he's going to be accepting the offer that they're going to be extending to him. If we could get a short reset for a plea, perhaps next Monday or Friday, the 28th or the 1st.
28th.
28th. All right, sir. And once we get finalization that the plea is accepted, I'll go ahead and reach out to you and we'll work on the paperwork.
Sounds good.
All righty. And he's all I have this morning. Are we excused?
Mr. Ortega, did you get your reset date, sir?
Yes, thank you.
All right, we'll see you Monday at 9 a.m. All right, Mario, you and client both free to log off.
Thank you, Booker. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
I'll talk later.
This is Herman. How can I Mark.
Good morning.
Morning.
I conferred on Roger Gallegos. Roger Gallegos has a unindicted felony. The state just sent an email to their cohort or their partner felony prosecutor to find out if we're going to do some kind of global deal or if we're going to handle these separately, how we're going to do on that. So I'd asked for a reset for them to get confirmation on how we're going to proceed on that one. On Mauricio, he gave me an offer. I need, if you will allow me to, a setting to bring him in, go over the video, and then I'll have an answer whether we're going to set up for trial or take a plea. One way or the other, we'll have a final, final decision by next setting at the latest.
I don't have any of your clients checked in.
Great. Okay. Let me have the office call and find out what's going on, because neither one of them has ever had an issue missing court before. So there might have been some communication issue, because I know I got one of my cases reset for today, and my office might have called and said all of them got reset. Let me have the office track them down so I can get them signed in or checked in so they don't get a warrant.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you so much. Have
Not
a
a
good one.
problem. You too.
Bye.
Oh, well,
Hey, Booker.
is like mid-September, right?
Hey, Booker,
Yes, ma'am.
that plea is not going to be going through today. He has a pending felony that was not seen. That is still awaiting indictment. So we are not going to be going through with that plea on number 1.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
No problem.
Well, yeah, I know. I had talked to my
Hello, Booker. Are you muted? Hello, Booker. Okay.
Yes, someone in his office. He'll be with you shortly.
Yes, Keith, how can I help you?
Okay, you heard from the ADA. We're not going to be doing the plea on Eugene Morales. Mr. Tappa Hawkins has a felony pending, and I need to talk to the felony prosecutors to find out if they're going to extend an offer that would include the misdemeanor. So I need a reset on him.
All right, I'm going to both cases to September 29th.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. And may
You're
we
welcome.
all be excused?
Mr. Eugene Morales, you have felonies pending. Nothing can be done with your case today. You're going to be reset. You're free to go back. And Mr. Top Hawkins, same thing with you. Your case has been reset to September 29th as well. Nothing can be done in your cases. You are free to go back. And keep your log off.
So it's reset so September 29th?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Anita.
Excuse me, Booker.
Yeah.
I just joined into the Zoom. I wasn't here when they called the roll call.
Okay, thank you, sir. I got you shut down.
Okay.
Ms. Pettis? Anita? Mr. Vega?
Good morning, Booker. I have Rafael Anzudas, and I've spoken with the state. They are going to speak to felony as well as I'll have Mr. Martinez speak to them as well. There's still 2 outstanding felonies that we'll probably have to resolve everything together. He has 3 cases in County Court 12 right now.
Okay, so one issue. Do
Yeah.
you or Miss Anita Perez represent him? Because I have both attorneys listed.
So Mr. Martinez represents him on, I think, the County Court 12 cases, at least one or two of them. And then on the felony, I think Anita's still on one. I'm not sure about the new unindicted case.
Misdemeanors as well.
Okay, so yeah, she's on. So yeah, the cases are split between the two.
I don't need to be here.
Well, there's still one misdemeanor that interfered that you're on. You're still court
Okay.
appointed to. I guess,
And I don't know, I have gotten like a violation report and I had texted Victoria and then I never heard back from her, so I didn't even know what was going on, but
I guess, Christian, I'm gonna give you guys a reset. Talk to your client and see what he wants to do as far as hiring you guys for all his cases. So that way I don't have two attorneys coming for one guy.
Yeah.
All
We'll
right.
see about that. Thank you.
In the meantime, I'll reset the case to let's see. September 26th.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Booker.
No problem. So Mr. Rafael, your court has been reset to September 26th. That will be in person in County Court 12.
and do I need to be there, Booker? No. Yeah.
Hopefully not. I think Christian's going to talk to him and see what he wants to do. But
All right.
I'll notify you beforehand.
Okay, thanks. Take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Booker.
Yes.
My name's Elias. My name's Elias Aguilar, sir. I wasn't here for the roll call.
All right, give me a moment. Who's your attorney?
Nell Smith, I believe.
All right, she's in my back office. I will notify. Hold on. Okay, sir. I'll notify her that you're here and she'll come back onto Zoom.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Booker, everybody ready on Eugene Morales? Are the attorneys here?
No, Judge, someone's gonna be reset. He just realized that he had pending felonies.
Oh, okay. All right. Reset.
Ryan,
Yes, can I please get Christopher Brown recalled? Um, let's do Friday for now. State just found out they have to do a couple extra steps in terms of the facts surrounding this case, so they need some more time. May not be resolved on Friday, but at least that'd be a good day for an update.
I'll do Monday. We're not having docket Friday.
Oh, okay, that works. And then can I get a breakout room with either Mr. Calleros or one of the ADAs?
Mr. Brown, so I'm gonna recall your case for this coming Monday. Your attorney needs to work with the state in regards to some more details on your case.
Mr. Booker?
Yes.
Hey, I'm sorry, can you say that again?
I'm gonna recall your case for Monday. Your attorney has to work with the state in regards to some more stuff on your case, but he'll be scheduling a jail visit for you.
Okay.
All right,
So Monday I'll be back here,
yes,
same time.
yes,
All right, thank you very much, sir.
you are.
I can leave.
Yes, you can leave. What you got now?
Could I please talk to one of the district attorneys?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, Booker, if I could get in a room with Mr. Calleros now, that'd be great. Thank you. He is going to be reset because the ADA's file is in dictation. If we could recall him, probably not for tomorrow, but maybe the next day or the day after on Wednesday or Thursday.
Okay. What you got now?
Do you know how many days in Elias Aguilar has in Barrett County? He's number 5 on the docket.
One.
Oh, okay. And could I talk to him again?
Yes.
Thank you.
Danielle.
Oh, hey, Anthony told me to ask for Miss Boiser to be reset to August 28th so he can try and get the file out of dictation and file it.
Well, would he do such a thing?
Hey Booker, this one as far as you can, unfortunately. I mean like a week or so. Unfortunately, this one's still in dictation. So I don't even have a file on it yet.
What did they file?
Excuse me?
He said,
So,
why aren't they filed?
oh, why? So incident date is literally like just under 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, they.
So that has to go through dictation. It has to actually have a file created. Then they send it up to us, and then we can file it once reviewing it. But right now, it's still in that dictation period.
All right, I will set it for Monday, the 28th.
Okay, thank you. Can I be excused?
Yes. Miss Boyser, you're free to go back now.
867-0671. Another.
Mr. Wilson, you have to connect the audio. Mr. Wilson? Sir?
What's the space bar, Michael, for God's sakes? What that all time, even let's see.
Did you hear me? I'm sorry. I had a court date for Zoom or suspended
Yes.
license. Yes, sir.
Your
Is
name?
it too late? Michael Wilson.
Yes. So your attorney came and confirmed the state, and you're supposed to log on. So he's gonna get with you over a couple of things that you need to do. And once you get that done, hopefully we can get your case dismissed.
Okay, okay.
But for right now, I'm gonna reset your court date to September 29th.
Thanks so much, man. I appreciate you.
Not a problem. You're free to log out, sir.
Yes, sir. Have a good
Okay, guys, everybody ready on Jose Herrera?
Yes, Judge.
Patrick, you ready? Unmute
Sure, we're
yourself.
ready.
There we go. All right, so at this time, the court will call the case of Jose Herrera, cause number 707488. Would each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Anthony Antequera for the state.
Patrick Lowndes for the defense.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Herrera. How are you doing, sir?
Pretty good, man.
Are you the same Jose Ricardo Herrera who's been charged with evading arrest or detention?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there another case?
Yes, Judge. It's a UCW, but that one's going to be TIC.
Okay. Let me just say for the record, also a UCW 693164. Is that you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss these two cases with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to enter into a plea today?
I am, Your Honor.
Yeah. Mr. Herrera, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign that document?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client is you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Herrera, are you entering into your plea voluntarily this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, is there a plea bargain?
Yes, Judge. And the terms of the agreement are going to be a $0 fine, court costs, 7 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, judgment to be satisfied. The state also agrees to take into consideration cause number 693164, unlawful carry of a weapon. And those are the terms, Your Honor.
All right, is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Herrera, how do you plead to this charge?
No contest.
No contest, very well. The court accepts your plea of no contest. Fine, it's been voluntarily and intelligently entered into. And I'll set punishment as follows. We're going to move forward on a $0 fine, court costs, 7 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. We're going to TIC, cause number 693164. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
If there's nothing else from either side, sir, I have followed your plea bargain agreement. You do not have my permission to appeal this. Mr. Herrera, you're completely done with this case. But I think that he has to come out, Patrick, and be fingerprinted because this is a conviction, okay? So just-
Yes, Your Honor. I was going to mention that just.
Okay, yeah, just bring him out to the bailiff with fingerprint him, and then you can take the file back to the clerks, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you for coming on, taking care of this matter. Everyone's excused. Good luck to you, Mr. Herrera, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
What you got now?
Could I please reset Elias Aguilar, number 5 on the docket for the trial docket?
No, your client also has a active warrant, the bonding company that he had filed paperwork to go off his bond.
He knows that. He's talking to them today.
Okay. 9/12.
Thank you.
No problem.
Is that client here?
No, Judge, he's on Zoom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, just make sure that well, I mean, it's in his hands. You say he's talking to his bonding company. That's
Yes.
fine. All right.
Got paperwork right here. TIC cause number 693164. Okay, so that one, let me sign everything up on everything.
Can he be released?
Yeah, let me bring him out.
Yeah, it's also on a monitor.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not sure if it was this court or the one next door that did it.
Or no, if you want to go back to number 4, and you can release him.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Hey, where are you at? Yeah, someone in front of the courtroom. Chase.
We offer for next time, but he said he's gonna give you one right this second. If you wanna go ahead and reset her, I left, but I am turning around to come back now, then you tell her she wants to stay there and wait for me again. I'll be like 10 minutes, but if she wants to leave, then feel free, and I'll figure it out when I get around the corner.
right, Mr. Dape, your attorney got caught up in a felony court. I'm gonna recall your case for Wednesday morning, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can notify the district officers that you're done with court. You're free to go back, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Gonzalez, your attorney was one of the first ones to appear on your behalf this morning. Your court date's been reset to 9/27. Your attorney's gonna talk with the felony attorneys and then try to get your cases taken care of.
Yes, sir. Thank
All
you.
right, you're free to go.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Individual under Samson SM A1. Your name?
My name,
Yes.
Michael Solis, sir.
All right. All right, sir.
I'm being represented by Bob Behrens, but he is not in town.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna reset your court date to September 29th.
September 29th. Okay, sir.
All right, you're free to log off.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.